Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. And can y'all just help me, please? I need to know if anybody know. You take some pictures where I can get these moldings at. Like, see, I got that molding. Then I think it's like another. It's a molding that goes right there. And it's the molding. It goes right there. And then, if anybody knows where I can get the clips for my spoiler, that'll be really great. I'm gonna take pictures because I'm gonna ask the people in the Camaro. Cause see, I gotta get that. Gotta get that trim, that black and gold. This trim. So I need all this trim so I can. I want to take it to the shop. I thought about getting the body kit, but I'm not 100% sure. If hard to find, like some people be having like one piece of the trim, but don't have both sides of the trim. So they have like the left side, like, oh, they got that part of the trim. So please, if y'all can help, it'll be muchly appreciative. It'll be much appreciative. That's what I need. So I took pictures of everything. Throw the pictures in at the back of the side of this video. Also, too, I'm looking for a Pontiac Fiero, like an '86. Like, it doesn't have to be the GT, but it has to have the. I'm gonna show y'all the one. It has to have the back window. One that's not like, even if it's like, it's just together. It just needs to be a shell of one. It doesn't even have to be the full. It doesn't have to be together because like I was talking to Luck, and he was saying that he see people put like the 3800 superchargers in there. I seen people put the 3800. Also seen people put the what is it, the 5.3 that came in like the Pontiacs, came in like the Pontiacs and the Impalas, like that sideway motor because it's the mid engine, so the motor's in their side, like already in their sideways. So I seen people do that, but I think the 3800 supercharger would be more better and more efficient. No point of cramming a V8 in such a small car. The 3800 supercharged, more than enough power for something that little. But I'm looking for like an '86. Like I said, it doesn't have to be the GT. If it's the GT, then it's fine. But it's just like because that back, the way it looks, the back mirror, like the second glass. But yeah, if y'all can help me find that, I'd be really appreciated. Because I'm in a Fiero group. I'm just trying to find one as close, not like they be posting them, but they don't be always updated. So maybe y'all see one in y'all area, or maybe in y'all marketplace. Maybe I have to just, maybe I'll just have to change my marketplace settings around, or just put it out there. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just have to just take the distance off. See if I can just take the distance off and see how far to search it out. But yeah, the main thing is I'm looking for the body moldings for the Firebird, so I can at least just take it and get a primer down. And so, like, cause I want to. That's what I kind of do want to do. Like, I still want to do like I want to make it cars, like buying cars as well. Like, but I also want to like start fixing having like I've been having a Firebird for this long. I need to actually just go about and fixing it up. I got the money, didn't had money to invest. I just haven't done it. I need to just quit procrastinating and just make. I want to make that. It's really. I'm gonna let y'all know the cars I really want. I want a Fiero. I want a '93 Corolla just because I was born in '93. So I want a Corolla. Like, I want that Corolla. Just I always think it's cool to just get a car that was produced or manufactured the year you was born, just to have one. I don't know if people think like that or if it's just something I think of, but yeah. So that's what I want. I want to have one of those cars. Um, it's really having too many cars, really, honestly. But because you're only one person, so you're only gonna drive one car. But these are the cars I want for the channel. I'm gonna find the SUV. SUV really doesn't really matter on the SUV because I don't really have a preference on that. It's just because I'm tall, and all the time I don't just like sliding down in cars and stuff like that. So I want that. Dream car is a Porsche Panamera. I'm pretty sure I could get one if I really wanted one, but I'll get it when I get to it. I'll get to it. It's not something that I want to do. Just go and just spend my money right now on that. So it's any like SUV for family, but they can come anytime. That's not like a necessity. My kids are still small, so a car is fine, but eventually they'll be bigger and need a little bit more room. So SUV for family purposes, but we ain't gonna. But that's not gonna be a part of the channel. My Porsche Panamera, that's the one. That's only car because it just looks so good. To me, it looks one of the best. It's a great looking car. I always wanted it, so eventually I'm gonna get it. 93 Corolla. I got my 87 Trans Am, and then 86 and up Fiero. So them probably be the three cars that's always probably the main factor of the channel. Those will probably be the ones, because those are the three that I want to like have and just take time slowly fixing up and just make them very, very nice, and then just appreciate them. So 86 and up Fiero. If I can get an 87, be the same as the year, or 86, I can go 86. Cause I can go 86, 87, then 93, whatever. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. If y'all can help me find those, cause I didn't call like Rock Auto. Like they sent me clips for my rear spoiler, but it wasn't like the right clips. Cause I need the clips. I need the one I got. They sent me the ones that go that as you can see if you on the back spoiler that like locks it in. But I need the clips to actually go into the actual spoiler. Like that's what I need to do. I need a picture of the actual spoiler. That's what I need. Cause it's clips like it's little metal clips that goes into the spoiler that the spoiler push it down and then it bolts onto the thing. But I probably need to buy a new trunk like too, because it's broke. So there's no point in having a piece of broken setting a spoiler onto a broke piece. So I guess I'll go ahead and rebuy that trunk light, so then it can just wrap around and just put on there all together. But yeah, so I want to go probably, and then with the colors, I'm gonna go back black and gold. Of the Fiero that I'm gonna get, I want to go like a white and red combo on the Fiero, and then for the not Corolla, it's a '93 Toyota Celica. It's not a Corolla, it's a Celica. It's a Celica, not a Corolla. But for the Celica, I want to do this probably like a black and teal. Probably do like a Jaguars theme on that, as y'all can see. Or I might kind of do like this gold, like so. I don't know. You going up?
Oh, yeah, I am, but I'm not like it.
All right. So I might go this gold. Not 100% sure. Let's see, like how that Jaguar go. I might go like something like that for the Celica. But I'll show you a picture. I'll show y'all a picture of all the cars I want. Put them in the thumbnail. Or I'll figure it out. I'll put the two that I want for y'all to help me locate. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'm out. Peace.